Minista wa Uimi Mithika Mithika Linturi niwaweta kana Silikali nikuendeeya na kumya liu nthi syanza na muno Mbemba na Musele batani wa kuthinikia nthi alame bwilitwe ninza. Minista u Aineenea kuya kaundini ya Mombasa kavinda kala watambuka kiseseni cha usubia wa Mwaini cha Gold Crown Beverages galiko sya shimanzi na maobisini mangwatanio ya Mwaini kana KTDA galiko sya miritini vala waumbula kana tuivikiia wa mwai wa Keli mwakani u Thooa wa maliu Mutu na Musele nuvikiia kutheeya nikana kwitaana nthi na mathina maliu. Angelina Mosekuma Kiswani nukutuelezea.
So we are not doing it because we want, but the projections are so bad that if we do not do it, our people will die for lack of food.
Ni Minista wa Uimi Mithika Mithika Linturi aweta kana kumya Mbemba na Musele nthi syanza ni nziaya mitukia kukitana na yua vanthi ya Kenya vatanwa kumetaana nthi.
So we will continue giving people relief, right, or giving them a humanitarian support because it is necessary for us as government to do it because we will not let our people die for starvation or for lack of food. But for long term, we all require to be involved, including you media people. I want to invite you to go and plant a tree nearly every day because the problem of food security in this country is a problem that we must so work together to address.
No atakana tuivikiia muthia wa mwai wa Keli mathoowa maliu Mbemba na Musele ni makwithia mema theu chelelo ni cha kumetaana nthi na ngalama ya mikalile.
So the mitigation measures that we have in the short term, as we plan ourselves to grow more food in another 6 months or so, is to bring you maize to get unga. And I want to commit, by the end of March, by the end of February, the cost of unga will have come down. The cost of rice will have come down.
Ingine watakana nzia sya kutoa sya kukitana na yua ni kwa ile uimi waki wivala kuwetakana ni makuambisya Uimi Mithika sya Silikali vatani wa kuikithia nthi maina akosa liu.
We are going to put under agriculture a very, very big area of land, beyond 1 million acres of land, and it's a decision that all public land owned by NYS, ANDC, prisons, that land should not lie idle. We need to produce more food for our people.
Kavinda ni Minista u niwaendeeya na kuwetakana Silikali niendeeya na kuikia malonyome mwanya makukitana na munyao vanthi ya Kenya kwanzia kivathukonyo wivo vandiwa miti bilioni 15 walanyo ula ni wa Musumbi William Ruto.
Government has put in various mitigation measures to address the issues of drought situation. And one of them is that you remember for the actions that we did not do 10 years ago are what are the effects we are feeling today is for what we did not do many years ago. And I'm happy and proud to be associated in a government led by William Ruto because he has taken a decisive position that the effects of climate change must be addressed now.
Ona uyo vo Minista u niwawetakana ni makuendeeya kuitana aimima indo kwa kuthoa indo syo kusiyangalama vala amenda mavikie kumantha nzia ingi sya kuithia indo syo vandu va kuthiukia indo isio ni kivathukonyo kwimanzia maliu.
Now I am trying to come up with a program that will change the mindset of the pastoralists for them to understand and to know why it is necessary to have different methods of trying to deal with the livestock, including field lotting, because that wandering of animals from one area to another, animals get emaciated, you can't feed them from a place. So it's a delicate area because changing the mindset of a community all of a sudden is not that easy.
Uwa kakavindani kala Minista uwa atambuka kiseseni cha kusovya Mwaini cha Gold Brown galikosea shimanzi na mavisini mangu watanayoimiwa Mwaini galikosea miritini vala umbula kana Silikali ni kuthuku mayimu ambana yanda kivathukanyo wikithia kana ni mokili aimima Mwaini vanthi ya Kenya wavamuna kukwata ndonyo nthi syanza.
The demand for value-added products is very high at the moment. We are having challenges with the countries that have been buying our teas in bulk, mainly Pakistan and Egypt. And there is an urgent need to create or to reach out to the new markets that want value-added products. But however, we have some challenges when we are trying to value-add for export. One being accessing high-quality packaging paper, because the tax on that paper is quite high, about 35% at the moment.
And that's why we are requesting the government to intervene on some of the markets we are not able to penetrate because of tariff barriers. As it has been said that our concentration is so much in Pakistan and Egypt, but there is so much potential out there for value addition tea.
Ngilivotea vilingi wa mauvoo Kuma kaundini ya Mombasa ni Thooa Angelina Musele.